So first of all, we should make sure our material is at least this level to make sure our accuracy is good. First of all, we turn on the power. Choose language English. Okay. And we stir on.
For this.
Start stirring. And then we perimeter. And we reboot the wheel off and on. Now we start calibration. First of all, to weigh this bag weight. When we clear it, once to calculate the gram per lap. Once. Okay. We have 296.
296.
296. And we end here 296. End. Okay. Let's refill this one. And do several times to make sure each skewer is filled. 1, 2, 3, maybe several times more, depends on you. And then we go back, working screen. It's on, and we set our target weight. Like for example, 500. And okay, we start up. Let's tap. This is the second step for calibration. It's 530. Still need to calibration. We have 30 grams to deduction. Second time to collaborate. We still have 9 to go. Let's do it one more time. This is the third collaboration. Now we are approaching 500 and 4 to go. One more time. Okay, it's almost here, so we done our collaboration. Now we can start.
你先把那清理掉。先把那个克东西放进去，把那个放进去。对。
是这段简单。
没关系，你直接说。
Oh, now we clear our bag weight.
然后放下去，别放了。